Camilla says you can use this as a spear. We're going to see if we can. Inside where I can put this on a table and show you my ways of how I can connect this to this. This is how I've always done this. Even when I was a kid, we used to play around with things and make spears out of. And there's my string at the bottom. Now what I'm going to do, the one I left sticking out, and I'm going to pull that top thread behind all that, locking it under. Pops in it. Did it really well. I hit the point as many times as I could on that hard log just to test it.